How to check out as guest on Walmart. First, you will need to add items to your cart which you're trying to purchase. I will add this one as an example here. So you want to open up the item itself, add it to your cart, and right here I will just select no plan, and now as you can see we have added this item to our cart. We are not signed into our account, so if we click on our cart here, it's going to show you what we currently have, and we will need to select continue to checkout here. In some versions of Walmart, for example the Canadian, you should be able to check out without the need for an account. However, the main version of Walmart, the American version of Walmart here, is going to ask for your phone number or email, so it really depends on your region whether or not you will be able to check out as a guest. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.